one would want to jump from the ledge all the way to the water.
This is pretty incredible.
Unbelievable.
I'm standing on top of one of the cliffs in Iceland, and I'm waiting for the guillemot chicks to fledge. They're not having it. I can imagine why. It's about 1,000 feet tall.
Okay, Mike, I'm on the ledge.
Okay, copy that. I can hear your friends in the background.
In the cracks on the way down. Didn't notice I was there, but they were quite calm, and I think it was reassuring.
All right, boys, are you ready?
Ready?
We are a little bit worried about the birds, of course. The small chicks.
This is pretty incredible.
Unbelievable.
I can imagine how it must feel for those guillemot chicks to jump from there into the water.
Amazing.
The chick's flapping seems futile, but it's just enough to slow her down and steer her away from the jagged rocks.